welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'll be walking you through how to create a custom workspace of your own. And the reason why you want to do that is basically because you can have easy access to navigate through your app. You want to have easy access, believe me. And if you check window here, you can see the workspace. We have different type of workspace that have been created by default. Color workspace, the caption and the graphics, audio, a lot of workspace has been created. But you want to have yours customized, right? So how do we do that? Now by default, your workspace might look like this. How do you readjust them? Now I'm going to readjust them based on the importance. The one I found useful the most. That's the one I'm going to give more space so I can be able to see details of what I'm doing. So now to get started with it, this is my program sequence where I see the output, the result of my work. I want it to be like this, if probably even wider. Now I need this, my sequence, my timeline to be more wider than this because this is the major important area that I don't want to joke with. So now I need it to be probably full this damn part. If you like on the territory here. Now this my project, this is my project panel, and I have some other panels here. I have the media. Some panels here are not really important. They are all useful, but depending on what you're working on. Alright, so I'm going to pick the important one now. Okay, so for now, let me get rid of some of these. So history, let's just close that panel. Now close by right clicking on it. Then you click on close panel. Same thing as markers, close, effects is very important. I want to leave that. Info, may close that. Library, close that. Media browser, be gone. Okay, so I have these two right now. Now I don't want them here. I want them up there. So I want to drag the panel up. Now I can see, once I drag it up here, I can see the effect here, which shows that the panel is here right now, but I don't want it here. I want it in this angle. Alright, so you can see where it shows that it's gonna be. So if I drop it here now to create a new kind of box. So the top here now we have three kind of box here right now. So I want it in this angle. Same thing as the effect. I want the effect to be inside that box. Alright. So for me to have that effect inside that box, I need to have it here. So now I have the project and I have the effect. So I want to readjust them. So I can drag the project to come first, then effect. And here is the source. I want the source as well to have a review of my work. So I want to have it this way. And the effect control is going to be here. Based on each clip I click on, I'll be able to see the effect control and work with the effect control. So it's important. So I have another panel here. The audio mixer is not really important. Like to have it on the screen is very important if you're working on your audio, but it's not something you use often. If I want to get rid of that first panel, the measure data, close it. I want to keep these two here perfectly. So here are my tools. And here is my timeline taking charge of it. And here is the audio section to see the kind of effects of the audio. For here right now, I want to have it a little bit because this is very important to me. Believe me. So here, since I have this now, it's perfectly fine. If I need more other windows, I can come down here. If I need the metric color, I bring it down so it will pop up here. I don't like it to be here because I want to see this effect wider than this, and that makes me to have to be kind of stretch this. And I'm going to stretch this, I as well affect the review, right? And when it's smaller, I can't really see the details of the color I'm applying on it. So I don't want it to be like this. So I want to have it out from here. I want to have it within this before. Comes better like this. I can see adjusted the way it should be because of my review, which is very important, mostly important. I have it this way. So if you need any other panels, they are here. The one we close, they are here. The info, history, events, they are all here, which you can enable them. They will pop up. Alright, so let's agree that you are done with this right now. The next thing you want to do is just simple save this workspace, right? So you come to window, come to workspace, and you save as new workspace. So save as new workspace pops up. What do you want to name it? Let me name it as EpeeTechSolution. So let's save it. I come to my window. I can see it's saved. This is one I use, EpeeTech, similar to what we just did here. So that's just it. So you can just pick it. Sometimes when you're done with like this, if you save the work and you open your Premiere Pro next time, it will be like this. But anytime it's not like that, you can just come to your workspace and activate it. So you have your workspace done. So if you find this video helpful, kindly like, and if you're coming across my channel for the first time, please subscribe and see you in the next. Stay creative.